Hi everyone, this is Sugantha Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. This presentation is about XML Document Object Model, AJAX Enable Rich Internet Application with XML and JSON. We will discuss about XML DOM, that is Document Object Model. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. The XML DOM, Document Object Model, is similar to a HTML DOM but is specifically designed for XML documents. It provides a structured representation of the XML documents, allowing the programs to access, manipulate, and update the XML data dynamically. Like the HTML DOM, the XML DOM represents the XML document as a tree-like structure where each node represents a part of the document. XML, each node tree represents an element, attribute, or a text node in the XML document. Nodes in the XML DOM can be represent elements, attributes, text, comments, and other XML documents. The top of the node is a tree node that is called as a document node, which represents the entire HTML document. We have a root node. As with the HTML DOM, the top level node in the XML DOM hierarchy is a document node, which represents the entire XML document. Accessing and manipulating the XML DOM provides a set of objects, methods, and properties that allow programs to access, navigate, and manipulate the XML documents dynamically. Language dependencies. Similar to HTML DOM, the XML DOM is language independent. That is, it can be accessed and manipulated using various programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, etc. And also XML DOM is platform independent. It is allowing to be used on the different operating system and the environment. Usage. The XML DOM is commonly used in application that works with HTML document. The XML document model is going to create, read, update, and delete the XML nodes. These methods can be used to manipulate the XML document according to the requirements and the applications. XML DOM can be used with different programming languages like Java, Python, and JavaScript. And also it provides various methods to navigate the XML document tree, that is get elements by tag name, get attribute, and get child nodes. Next is the AJAX enabled rich internet application with XML and JSON. AJAX asynchronous JavaScript and XML is a technique that is used in Java to build rich internet application that can update parts of a web page without requiring a full page to be reloaded. AJAX is commonly used with extensible markup language, and JSON is used to transfer the data between the web server and the Java client-side JavaScript code. Next is the XML, extensible markup language, and JSON, JavaScript object notation, which are commonly used for formatting and exchanging various data between the web servers and the client-side JavaScript code. Next is creating AJAX enabled rich internet applications with XML and JSON. To create an AJAX enabled rich internet application with XML and JSON, follow these three steps. First is set up the server side programming. Next is you are going to use the Java interface, and finally you are going to write the JavaScript code. Next is creating AJAX enabled rich internet application with XML and JSON. Decide whether to use XML or JSON to transfer the data between the server and the client. You can use an XML HTTP request or a JHR request to make to the server and receive response in either XML or JSON format. Handle the server responses by parsing the XML or JSON data and updating the content of your web page thoroughly. Test and debug. Test your application. Test your application thoroughly and debug the issue that arises. Deploy. Once you are satisfied with your application, deploy it on the user access. Now, the assessment is define Ajax enabled rich internet application with XML and JSON. And next is how to create Ajax enabled rich internet application with an XML and a JSON. And finally, what is an XML and a DOM. Thank you.